How to make money on Zora app. So here is Zora app. It's a new social media app, but it has a Web3 vibe, meaning that you create content here and then people buy content, invest in your content, and then you make money. So basically every post here is tokenized. Every post in here is a separate token. And in addition to that, you also have your own creator coin, which is basically your username. So all of your tokens kind of combine in this one creator coin, and then people can buy it. So there are four multiple ways to earn money in here. So the first way is just, you just post viral content, and then people, if they like it, just tap buy and buy your content with sparks, with another tokens, which they top up from this. I think it's this Ethereum token, and then you just have your basically tokens in here. Yeah, this app is a bit buggy. I don't know. So for example, you can see top creators. You can see, so someone posted some image and $72,000 bought it or something like that. I don't know whether it's correct number, but these are top creators in here. And then there is like a market cap of coin of this person. And then so additional way to earn money, you can then just basically buy this coin. So you can kind of invest and then sell it. So you can invest when similar as you do with any other meme coin or whatever. So you can invest in here. As you can see, this is like a promising creator. I like these photos. People are buying it. So you invest in this creator coin and then you sell it. So similar as you do with any other crypto app, whatever. But here, these are very niche tokens. These are just tokens tied to the content of this person on this app. And then you can see top holders. And then as a creator coin holder, you have 50% of that coin, which is distributed to you over 3 years, and 50% are on the market, and which you can also buy that another 50%, but that's where other people buy it. So like again, I see three main ways to earn money. First, you post content and become viral, but that's quite complicated. You actually need to be a good digital artist in here or get some catchy trends. If you post some like random images, it's not gonna work. The competition is quite high here, so it should be some catchy digital post. So you earn money, people buy your post token, then you can just sell it. Another way, then if you become a popular creator here, people invest in your creator token, similar as you do with any other token, then you just sell it. And then another way, you just invest in other people tokens, and then this way you sell it when it goes up. So something like that.